and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Biren and this is going to be one of our first videos of me coming back after a couple years. So what's today's video going to be all about? I'm sure you read the title and you already know what's going on, so let's get to the unboxing. But before we do, I have all of its accessories and everything in this bag right over here. And besides that, let's do something. So you're probably wondering why I decided to wear gloves. Well, my main reason for wearing gloves while doing this unboxing is that the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is, way to go, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is right in this box here, shipped from Verizon or Apple, whoever, the stainless steel edges are stainless steel and they get a lot of fingerprint, so just for not touching the sides of the phone in the beginning, I decided to put gloves on. And so did a lot of other people. So before you end this video, there is going to be a giveaway at the end. Make sure to watch it. We're going to give away the new HomePod Mini. I have a lot of cases and accessories for the new iPhone, so let's get into it. We're going to talk about MagSafe and we're going to talk about different ways of charging and stuff like that. So let's get into the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm so excited to see what's in this package. First, opening the box. Wow. Okay, first of all, the box is heavier than before. Yes, it's very small. It is very, very, very small. Very interesting. To be honest, this whole the box itself fits in my hands nice and easily. So there's a lot of people complaining about it, but I'm like, wait, the box fits comfortably. Okay, did Verizon send anything else? So no. Here's your bill. Lovely. Okay, this is beautiful. Are we ready? So before we open it, I think we can give a quick second to just think about what this device means for us. So we live in an age where our mobile phones and our smartphones end up being such a powerful part of our everyday lives, not from just using it for our everyday necessity. Now, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is considered a phablet, not a smartphone, not a tablet, not a phone, but a phablet. Now just take a couple seconds in thinking about the device that you are now using every day is a phablet, not considered the iPhone or not considered the same as the regular smartphone category. So I think that is very important. Let's open our iPhone 12 Pro Max. That was satisfying. And so was the open. Did you guys know that there are specific engineers that are hired just to design and work on the boxes for Apple? They specifically design that swoosh. Wow. That is one beautiful device. That is beautiful. Ooh, ooh, the papers want to fall out. Okay, so here's the phone. Wow. Guys, this is different. Okay, here's my first couple things I will tell you. Yes, it's huge, but it's not crazy to the point where it feels awkward. And also in the studio lighting with the pink and the blues and all of this, it's kind of creating a really weird light and color and all that. I will tell you, it feels really good in the hand. I think they have weight managed this so well that it feels very even. Wow. So what do we get in the box, guys? I think a lot of people already know what comes in the box. So you get two things that come in the box. So you're gonna get your instructions and your Apple sticker. and your little charger. So now, of course, this time it doesn't come with one of these power bricks. This is actually the 18 watt that comes with your iPad Pros and stuff like that. So I've had this for a little bit of time. So I wanted to do one more thing. We're gonna add the giveaway part in this video, and I wanted to film this part with the Pro Max. So this is filmed with the Pro Max, and the giveaway is gonna be, so I want you guys to do two things. Follow me on Instagram, which is linked right down below, and click subscribe on YouTube. And that's all we need to do to choice to enter to win a HomePod Mini. I'm gonna try to do it at the end of this year, and there's gonna be one more giveaway. Let's say it has to do with Adidas and Kanye West.